Okay, and this is the Poco X4 Pro 5G. I must say that I really like the design. I like this kind of semi-flat edges. I think it gives it a better grip. Let me try the case, which is a nice touch as usual by Xiaomi. Okay, so getting a little bit stuck here. Let me try this way. Come on. Okay, done now. So yeah, perfect. So it comes with a clear case as usual. It also comes with a screen protector. Another nice touch. So well done. I'm gonna leave it here with the case for now. So I already set up my fingerprint, and yeah, I really like it. Now, the things that are rubbing me the wrong way about this phone is that it doesn't come with a 4K video recording, not even for the rear camera, which is an unusual step, and I consider it to be a downgrade compared to the X3 Pro and the X3 NFC. So no idea why Xiaomi decided to remove the 4K 30 frames per second recording on for the rear camera. So that's it's a shame. Anyway, I'm going to test the cameras, and I'm going to compare it first versus the Poco X3 Pro and the Poco X3 NFC. Another thing that I'm not sure about it is that also the battery is smaller than the one on the X3 Pro and the NFC. Once again, no idea why Xiaomi did this, but so we are in a very weird place now with the mobile industry, when companies like Xiaomi and Samsung are releasing phones with some kind of downgrades. So I don't understand. But the good thing is it has the headphone jack. So massive fan of the headphone jack. At the top, I would have preferred it here at the bottom as usual, but at least it is here. So well done, Xiaomi. So this is my quick unboxing and first impressions and related to these phones. So stay tuned, because as I said, I'm going to do camera comparisons and probably specs comparison, maybe a speed test and a speaker test against these two, especially the X3 Pro. So that's all for this video. In the house, Xiaomi X4 Pro, and see you in the next one. Hasta la vista.